A credit hour is a unit of academic credit that represents the amount of time a student spends in class, typically in higher education. It's a standard method used by universities to measure and quantify the amount of academic work required for a course or program. Generally, 1 credit hour is equivalent to 1 hour of classroom or lecture time per week over a semester, which typically lasts for 15 to 16 weeks. Therefore, a 3-credit course typically requires 3 hours of classroom or lecture time per week over a semester, which adds up to 45 to 48 contact hours. Students need to earn a certain number of credit hours to complete a degree program, which varies depending on the institution, program, and degree level. Virtual University of Pakistan, VU, also follows a credit hour system. The credit hour system is a standard method of measuring academic coursework in higher education. Each credit hour represents the amount of time spent in class per week. At Virtual University, undergraduate courses typically carry 3 credit hours, while graduate-level courses carry 2 to 3 credit hours. The exact number of credit hours for each course is usually listed in the course description. To earn a degree, students need to complete a certain number of credit hours, which varies depending on the program and degree level. For example, a bachelor's degree, 4 years, at VU requires students to complete 132 to 134 credit hours, while a master's degree, 2 years, requires 66 to 72 credit hours, depending on the program. It's worth noting that Virtual University also offers some courses with a different number of credit hours. Therefore, it is recommended to refer to the official website or consult with the academic advisor to get the latest and accurate information about credit hours for specific courses and programs. The fee structure for Virtual University of Pakistan, VUP, varies based on the number of credit hours enrolled in by the student. The fee structure for Virtual University of Pakistan varies depending on the program and the number of credit hours enrolled. Generally, the fee per credit hour for undergraduate programs ranges from 1,750 PKR to 2,150 PKR, while for graduate programs, it ranges from 2,800 PKR to 3,450 PKR. Additionally, there may be some additional fees such as admission processing fee, semester registration fee, and examination fee. It is always best to check directly with the Virtual University of Pakistan for the most up-to-date and accurate information on their fee structure. The number of credit hours for internships and projects at Virtual University of Pakistan may vary depending on the specific program and degree requirements. Typically, the number of credit hours for internships are 3 and for projects are 6 credit hours. For instance, in the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science (BScs) program, students are required to complete a final year project worth 6 credit hours. Similarly, in the Master of Commerce (M.Com) program, students are required to complete an internship worth 3 credit hours.